Before you move to Bethesda, Maryland, watch this. It could save you thousands. Bethesda, Maryland, one of the most talked about places to live in the DC metro area. Top schools, high-paying jobs, walkable neighborhoods, but also high prices, heavy traffic, and tough competition. Today, we're breaking down the real pros and cons of living in Bethesda, so you can decide if this upscale Maryland suburb is actually right for you. One of Bethesda's biggest advantages is its immediate proximity to Washington, D.C. You're just minutes from federal agencies, major corporations, law firms, and consulting jobs. For professionals who want city access without fully living in the city, Bethesda hits that sweet spot. Bethesda is served by Montgomery County Public Schools, consistently ranked among the best in Maryland and the entire country. This is one of the biggest reasons families are willing to pay a premium to live here. Downtown Bethesda and Bethesda Row are incredibly walkable. Restaurants, coffee shops, boutiques, gyms, all just steps away. Bethesda is a powerhouse for biotech, healthcare, research, and corporate employment. NIH, private medical institutions, and major employers fuel a very stable local economy. The Metro Red Line, MARC trains, and multiple bus routes make commuting flexible and convenient, especially for DC workers. From fine dining to luxury shopping and entertainment, Bethesda offers an upscale lifestyle without the chaos of downtown DC. You also get access to beautiful outdoor spaces like Capitol Crescent Trail and Cabin John Park, perfect for biking, walking, and escaping city stress. Bethesda home values have shown strong long-term appreciation, making real estate here not just a home, but an investment. Bethesda consistently ranks as one of the safest areas in Maryland, with a highly educated and professional population. Now let's talk reality. Bethesda comes with a very high cost of living compared to most Maryland suburbs. Home prices in Bethesda are among the highest in the region, and bidding wars are common, especially for single-family homes. Between property taxes, HOA fees, and maintenance, overall housing expenses can add up quickly. Traffic can be heavy during peak commuting hours, especially along major routes and downtown corridors. Inventory is tight. If you're looking for a detached home, expect competition and limited choices. Some parts of Bethesda feel more urban than suburban, which is great for some people, but not ideal for everyone. Parking downtown can be limited, and while Bethesda has great restaurants, nightlife is more low-key compared to DC. So, is Bethesda, Maryland worth it? If you value schools, safety, walkability, and long-term investment, it might be the perfect fit. But if affordability and space are your top priorities, you may want to explore nearby alternatives. If you're thinking about moving anywhere in Maryland, make sure you subscribe for more local insights and reach out if you want help finding the right fit.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.